vinyl liner pool industry, one of the things that happens is the liner needs to be replaced. Every 10 to 12 to 15 years, a few of those liners last 20 years, but typically not. And what happens most often is the sun beating on the liner that's above water level tends to wear out, and you start getting puncture holes and it fails there. When the liner is done or it's not holding water anymore and we need to replace it, we basically come in, drain the water, remove everything, cut the liner out, and then re-prep the bottom. Pen. This is basically a day process. By the time we've drained it, cut the whole liner out, taken the liner away, and then gone through and made sure that the bottom and all the fittings and everything are okay, and then we install a new liner. And the new liner is literally a matter of locking it into the track and then making sure you got it set properly, and allowing the vacuums to draw the air out from behind the liner and setting it into place.
Not a good idea. I could read the sign. Yeah, dude. That has to be Jason. I went to work one day and there was a hole in the ground, and then came to work that day. This way.
So in the process of doing the liner, once the liner is set into place and is vacuumed into place, we have to go through and cut in each of the penetrations, the main drains down at the bottom of the pool, the returns, the light, the skimmer, and that process basically involves getting in there, lining up the holes, and literally screwing and hand tightening down each of the fittings, and then cutting the center of the liner out. So we have liner, and then the main drain. We use a main drain as an example, the main drain pot. Once we put those screws in, it locks that ring around the plastic of the main drain itself, and now we have a seal. Once we do that, we basically end up with a new pool. This liner was just replaced this morning. It's partway full of water, but you get a sense of a brand new pool. That's one of the beautiful things about a vinyl liner pool, is when you take the liner out, put a new one in, for a fairly reasonable amount of money, the pool looks brand new. There's no major renovation that's required to have a brand new, fresh looking swimming pool, and that's what you can see here.